Hello there, it's Rob at Voss Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2012 Mini Cooper Countryman. We're selling it for $11,488 plus HST and licensing. The vehicle comes fully certified. It has a keyless entry, keyless start. By pressing this button you can lock the vehicle, press it again, you can unlock it. If you press it twice, I guess you can unlock all the doors. So it does have a power mirrors, does have a power windows, power dual sunroof, leather interior, and black leather interior inside. So white on black, looks pretty nice. Here's the trunk space. It is a small car, but it's pretty roomy. It has a pretty deep trunk. There are some toolbox in there. The seats are foldable. You can fold them down. Tires are good, 100% pass safety. I drove the vehicle myself. It drives very nice and looks really cool. The white with the black stripes, it looks very nice. So let's see what it has inside here. Okay, so you don't need to put the key, press the brake button and press the start button to start the vehicle. It comes with a GPS navigation. I'm gonna plug my seat belt. So yeah, all lights gonna be off. 100,000 kilometers. The GPS. It has the USB and auxiliary right here. That's the menu for the GPS to navigate. We're gonna go to vehicle info, for example, onboard info. Go back. I'm gonna here vehicle status, check everything, and your tire pressure sensors are good. If there's any service requirements, none of them, everything is okay and okay, absolutely perfect. Full tank of gas. It has climate control, and the lights are in auto mode now. So it looks pretty cool and nice. There's a little armrest over here. These are the sunroofs. Looks pretty. Oh, both of them are, you can tilt actually. And that's how it opens. The front one opens all the way to the back. I guess you gotta hold it, kind of safety stuff. Okay, it's closed. Sun visors. There is another one for the driver on the left side. Oh, it has lights too. Oh, it has paddle shifts here, the multifunction steering. I think this is the radio. Yeah, you can increase the volume from here, and we can go back to radio, for example. It shows you all stations, everything. The reception is not the best inside the building right now here. There we go. Hey, it's way better now. So it's automatic transmission. Has heated seats, which is really comfortable, nice. Door locks, the windows are right here to open and close it, and has a CD player too. So that's pretty much everything. If you have any question regarding this vehicle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you again. And in the end, I'll give the VIN number just in case if you need it for something to check the insurance or something. Here we go. Thank you.